Hi, Mrs. Buitenbeentje, welcome to my life. That's alive. I wanted to give you guys an update or a progress update on the hashtag start to sew swimwear challenge that's going on right now. We're nearing the end. The 29th is the end. Sunday. This coming Sunday. This is she. She's not done though. She's not done. But let's start on the inside. I encased my shoulder seam, my side seam. Can you guys see it? Yeah, my side seam and the crotch seam. I encased all of them. I used the overlocker to serge all of my seams. My friend over there, serge all of my seams. And I changed my lining because, as you guys know, I wanted to use the lycra fabric as the lining, but when I got the newsletter of one of those days, one of the newsletter and the blog post had me like, I just went to check in my stash and I saw that I still have lycra lining, mesh lining, so I decided to use that. That's what I used. I'm not sure if it's really opaque enough, but in any case, this is the progress. I did try her on without the elastic, of course, because elastic. This is what I have. I have white and black swimwear elastic. Both are swimwear elastic, but that's because I'm just shopping my stash. I'm not buying anything new, and so this is what I got. And because I used the serger, or I used the serger for all of my seams, but I'm not going to use the serger for the elastic. I'm just going to use my regular machine, which is the Brother Innovis F410, and I'm going to use the top transporter to help me stabilize the fabric and just glide it through. My aim, no, let me just tell you, I watched a bunch of YouTube videos. I'm still not convinced on putting in elastic or sewing the elastic or whatever. I'm still not convinced. I'm like, nah. But in any case, my aim is to do one armhole. That is my aim. So I sew every day about 15 minutes because that's the time that I have right now. That's my aim. And I tried her on. I tried her on without elastic. We have a few issues. Well, not really issues, but a few adjustments that needs to be made. Like right around here was a little wide. I'm not sure if the elastic is going to help me with that, but I was like, I'm not sure about that. Right here in the back scoop was also a little wide. Again, not sure if the elastic will help, but that's what I noticed. I thought the front would have been an issue. No, girl, it's the back. I thought it was a full butt. Let me just tell you, it's not. But oh well, this is her. And that's the update that I wanted to give. Have a great, great day. Bye.